10 best foods to eat after a workout. You're done with your daily workout routine at home or the gym. What's next? A plate of healthy snacks to refuel your lost energy would be great. You may not realize that the first meal after exercising plays a significant role in maintaining your health. After all, they're crucial to help the body recover properly. So we say eat the best post-workout meal every day. Jumpstart your muscle recovery and restock your energy by treating yourself with some nutritious snacks. We've prepared a list of the best food choices packed with protein and for the best post-workout meal. And before you ask, yes, it will be delicious. 1 is an egg omelet with whole wheat toast. Eggs are always to the rescue. Get back the energy you burned during the workout with a delicious egg omelet and a slice of bread. On one hand, the protein, healthy fats, and sodium present in eggs can help reduce inflammation. And on the other hand, the fiber of the whole wheat toast maintains your blood sugar levels. There's no wonder it is one of the good foods to eat after a workout. You say no time to prepare an omelet? No worries. You can pack hard-boiled eggs with a slice of bread to eat on the run. Number 2 is chocolate milk. We told you this list was going to be delicious. Sipping a glass of chocolate milk after a hard workout may not sound right. Well, you'll be surprised to know how much more it's beneficial than plain milk and most sports drinks. Plus, it's loaded with protein content, 8 grams to 11 grams. So you might need to consume at least 500 milliliters of chocolate milk after a workout. Also, chocolate milk has high water content, so it can help replace the fluids lost during the training. Talk about the tastiest post-workout drink. Number 3, Greek yogurt and fruit. A bowl of Greek yogurt with freshly cut fruit can never go wrong. A cup of this creamy delight offers around 20 grams of protein, making it an amazing post-workout meal. To top the benefits of Greek yogurt, pair them with fruits like blueberries, strawberries, kiwi, or pineapple. More nutrition with more taste. 4 is grilled chicken and roasted vegetables. Eating chicken post-workout's an excellent choice. Chicken adds a significant amount of protein to your after-workout meal. Grill it or roast it and serve it with roasted vegetables, salads, and lettuce wraps to make it even more healthy. You can also serve it with brown rice to get the perfect combination of carbohydrates and nutrients on your plate. 5. Quinoa. This is on the food trend currently, and this power food has to be one of the best post-workout meals. Loaded with abundant amounts of protein and carbohydrates, quinoa is the perfect addition to your post-workout routine. 1 cup of cooked quinoa is loaded with over 8 grams of protein and 40 grams of carbohydrates. You can eat a bowl of cooked quinoa as is, or you can add some salads or nuts to it. You can prepare quinoa porridge with berries ahead of time, so you can grab it quickly even when you're running out of time. 6 is avocado. Give bananas some rest and divert your attention to avocados. If you don't already know, avocados are enriched with potassium, vitamin C, omega-3 fatty acids. Plus, it boasts an excellent amount of protein, which are vital for muscle growth. And you already know that it's incredibly tasty. With all the health benefits that avocados have to offer and their delicious taste, it goes without saying that they are a filling companion for your after-workout food. 7 are protein shakes. Any food item loaded with protein makes a great post-workout food. Preparing healthy and delicious shakes at home is super simple. Banana and peanut butter, green and lean protein shakes, and berry blast shakes are just some of the options you must try to refuel yourself after exercising. No, they won't take much time. Put your ingredients in a blender and the job is done. Your post-workout shake is just a switch away. 8 is salmon. Perk up your protein stores after a workout with salmon or other lean fish. The protein content helps in repairing damage to the muscle fibers. Also, it's rich in omega-3 fatty acids that are ideal to ward off illness. So it eases the post-workout muscle inflammation, helps restock energy, and keeps you full. Give it a try and it might become the best post-workout food for you. Serve smoked salmon with whole grain bread slice or add grilled salmon with a plate of fruits and vegetables. Number 9 is sweet potatoes. A food as nutritious as this is difficult to find. Sweet potatoes are high in carbohydrates and fiber. Additionally, they're packed with nutrients like vitamin C and potassium. They're indeed a better choice than white potatoes. Cut your sweet potatoes into small pieces, roast them with olive oil and cumin powder, and serve them hot. You can also savor baked sweet potatoes after exercising. 10 is chickpeas. If we say chickpeas are the best food to eat after a workout, we wouldn't be lying. Packed with carbohydrates and plant-based proteins, these are little bundles of energy that can help restore energy and maintain blood sugar levels. Eat them as salads or get creative with your cooking skills to create a tasty yet healthy dish using a bowl of this superfood. Don't let junk food undo your fitness routine. A burger or pizza once in a while is okay, but they can't be your daily dose of health. Eat right after a workout session and ensure the best overall health of your body. Trust us, these foods are tasty and don't need great cooking skills to prepare. From where we see it, it's a win-win situation.